I'm Becky DPT, and today I would like to share a video of an adjustment with my nephew. We are in the midst of swim season. He has regionals and states coming up, so we just did an adjustment. You'll notice that these repetitive motions cause tweaks in his spine that we can actually go in and we can realign. You'll notice just about every time his left hip is forward and his right shoulder blade is elevated. And that is because the direction that he turns in all the repetitions of his practice. So today I would just like to show you the correction. Traveling down, we have a little kink here. Oh, we have a kink here. And kink here. And then we straighten out at the bottom. Shoulder blades, ooh, right is a lot higher than that left one. Probably an inch. And hips. This left one is rotated a little bit anteriorly. Nice and relaxed. Little tug. Little tug. Good. And very relaxed. Oh, very good movement. You needed that very bad. Up. Relax. There it was.
Oh my goodness.
Good, you tightened up on me. Nice deep breath in and blow out. Good. Nice deep breath in and blow out. All right.
Worse than usual.
We have the right is longer, and we also have this out flare. Good.
Out flare, what?
Out flare. Do you see, like, look at your feet. So, like, see how this one's kind of like, woo, out to the side?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, you almost can't correct it. Nice and relaxed. Nice and relaxed. You get taller? Good. They are even. Nice and relaxed. Yes. Yes. Straight. Straight. Hips. Even. And check the shoulder blades. Nice and even. You're fixed.